Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your email on SoundCloud. First of all, you can open the SoundCloud application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the home page, and after this, you can just simply tap on the library option, and here you can see this type of interface. I can already open this page. Now you can tap on settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can now tap on account, that is third option in the row, and here you can just simply remove the email and enter a new email, and it is a way you can change email on SoundCloud. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.